These guys over here are blue poison dart frogs. Blue poison dart frog scientific name is Dendrodropides azoreus. These guys live in the southern moister portions of Suriname. This frog lives in isolated rainforest stands in the Simpolwani savanna. It is found under rocks and moss near rocky streams although it may occasionally be found on tree branches up to 25 feet above ground. Like other poison dart frogs, the secretion of its skin are highly toxic. These guys live in the southern portions of Suriname. And they use their poison to defend against predators.